Marco Aurelio said that nowhere you could go is more peaceful, more free from interruption than your own soul. Withdraw to consult your own soul, then return to face those who await you. Marco Aurelio was a Roman emperor from 161 to 180 AD. He is considered the last of the 5 good emperors. During his reign, he wrote a series of autobiographical reflections known as meditations, in which he consistently advocated for seeking tranquility in life. While these meditations often emphasize the importance of rising early and making the most of the day, he also stressed the importance of taking time to withdraw inwardly and find calm. Through his writings, we have a reasonable idea of what his nighttime routine might have looked like. In this video, we will explore the different things Marco Aurelio might have done in the evening or late afternoon, and how we can follow or adapt this routine to our modern lives. Let's begin. The only thing I ask of you is not to skip this video. If you're here, consider yourself different from the majority. Consider yourself an exception. Now act like one and don't miss any part. First, eliminate external stimuli. Marco Aurelio said, "It is time you realize that you have something in you more powerful and miraculous than the things that affect you externally." It's known that Marco Aurelio used his evenings to disconnect. In our modern world, we are constantly bombarded with external stimuli, especially when interacting with people and technology. To meet the superficial demands of our modern society, we overload ourselves with tasks, meetings, emails, and deadlines. We lose our freedom and inner peace. Our nighttime routine typically involves updating social media, watching TV, or trying to answer last-minute emails. We need to reduce these stimuli and declutter our minds. Therefore, your nighttime routine should be the time you dedicate to yourself. This likely means eliminating many of the nighttime activities you've become accustomed to and replacing them with new activities that truly help you disconnect and focus on yourself. This could be as simple as a guided 5-minute meditation, a body scan, or a breathing exercise. Mindfulness meditations help calm a hyperactive mind and connect with your physical body. Incorporating this kind of meditation into your nighttime routine can be incredibly beneficial. Meditation is known to reduce anxiety, improve mood, and significantly enhance sleep. Your sleep routine should be a break from this busy world and a retreat to your inner peace. Even though binge-watching shows, playing video games, meeting friends, or scrolling through social media might seem like personal breaks, they don't actually lead to tranquility. In fact, they distract you from finding it. Second, engage in physical exercise. Marco Aurelio said, "It is a shame for a man to grow old without seeing the beauty and strength of which his body is capable." Despite living nearly 2,000 years ago, he understood the importance of physical exercise. He believed that a sound mind could not exist without a healthy body. Exercise in any form can teach virtuous life skills like perseverance, personal development, discipline, overcoming challenges, and building self-confidence. Many of us avoid exercise with excuses like "I'm too tired," "I have a big meeting tomorrow," or "I'm too stressed at work." However, exercise offers incredible benefits for physical and mental health, and we shouldn't ignore it completely as part of our routine. Any form of exercise, whether it's playing sports or going to the gym, is beneficial because it releases a cascade of brain chemicals that make you feel good, reduce stress levels, and improve your mood. If you exercise in the evening, it can even help you fall asleep faster, leaving you refreshed and ready to face the next day. You can also incorporate the concept of a short evening walk to clear your mind. As you walk, pay attention to the air and environment around you. Gently move your body and appreciate the beauty of nature. This will help clear your mind after a busy day and prepare you for a good night's rest. Third, review your day. According to Marco Aurelio, nothing has such power to broaden the mind as the ability to investigate systematically and truly all that comes under thy observation in life. Stoics believed that the best times for reflection were in the morning and in the evening. They prepared for the upcoming day by jotting down thoughts in a journal in the morning and reviewing the past day's events in the evening. Marco Aurelio wrote his meditations with the intention of reviewing his daily life and thoughts to achieve personal clarity. Being mindful of your actions and reflecting on them is essential. Spend time in the evening reviewing your daily progress. This can help you prepare for the next day by noting what you'd like to accomplish. It's also crucial for evaluating whether your daily actions align with the person you truly want to be. By reviewing your day, you can identify areas for improvement, celebrate your successes, and make better choices in the future. Fourth, contemplate your inner sage. In Marco Aurelio's words, the reading of all good books is like a conversation with the finest minds of past centuries. A sage is someone considered experienced in a particular field and revered for their wisdom, judgment, and expertise. Stoics dedicated time to reflect on their sage and assess whether their actions aligned with those of their sage. Your sage can be someone you know, or simply an idealized concept of an exemplary person. It's essential to have a clear definition of this person so you can reflect on whether your actions are in harmony with your sage. During your nighttime routine, take a few minutes to remember your sage and ask yourself if you have acted as your sage would have. Consider how you can improve tomorrow to better align your life with your sage. What characteristics of your sage have you identified in yourself today? Incorporate a few minutes of this reflection into your nighttime routine to contemplate the situations you've encountered and how your sage would have handled them. This can increase your awareness of your choices for the next day and help you become a better person, the kind of person you deeply admire. Fifth, adopt a higher perspective. Marco Aurelio advised, think of the totality of all you have to do, pass in review all that you have in mind, and consider what they are worth, and set a value on each of these thoughts accordingly. Adopting a higher perspective means expanding your view of life and looking at yourself and your day as if you were observing from an external point of view. This can help you remove personal emotions and anxieties from your assessment. In our modern world, distractions are everywhere. When we leave our homes, we're bombarded with advertisements, news, opinions, and distractions. Our attention is captured by apps, games, videos, and TV shows. This constant distraction makes it challenging to think and breathe. To help with this, the Stoic exercise of adopting a higher perspective can be used to lighten the weight of our problems by changing our view to one above ourselves. You can start by dedicating quiet moments in the evening to observe your immediate surroundings, your body, your home, and the people you live with. Begin to think about how they feel, how you interact with them, and what problems, hopes, and fears they might have. Then expand your perspective to see your city and how everyone living there has a unique life you know nothing about. Consider the challenges faced by some of the less privileged people. Keep broadening your view to encompass your country and then the entire planet. This practice will help you put your daily problems into perspective. It can make you realize that many of the things you worry about are quite small in the grand scheme of things. It helps you focus on the bigger picture, fostering gratitude and reducing stress and anxiety. In conclusion, a nighttime routine inspired by the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius can be a powerful tool for cultivating tranquility and self-improvement in your life. By eliminating external stimuli, engaging in physical exercise, reviewing your day, contemplating your inner sage, and adopting a higher perspective, you can create a routine that helps you disconnect from the chaos of the outside world and connect with your inner self. This, in turn, can lead to greater clarity, inner peace, and personal growth. Remember that building a nighttime routine inspired by Stoic principles may take time and effort, but the benefits in terms of mental and emotional well-being are well worth it. So, take the time to invest in yourself and create a nighttime routine that aligns with your values and goals. Your future self will thank you for it.